the bat, it is proverbial to say, "A rolling stone gathers no moss." Let's relate the story the bat to prove the truthfulness of this proverb. Once upon a time, all the animals and the birds gathered in a jungle. They were tense and upset. They were fed up with the rule of might is right. They wanted to fix the problem once for all. They decided to choose a king. But this decision caused a dispute between the animals and the birds. The animals considered themselves powerful and dominant. They wanted to make the king out of themselves. The birds claimed to be superior because of their agility and art of flight. They wanted to make a king out of themselves. A war broke out between them. A clever bat was also there. Her behavior and approach towards the problem was strange. She decided to win favor of both groups. When the birds seemed to win, she came to them and assured them her support. She claimed to be a bird as she can fly. But after some time, when the situation appeared to be changed, she also changed her mind. When animals seemed to be victorious, she went to them and assured them her loyalty. She claimed to be an animal as she gives milk to her young ones. In this way, she kept on changing the side. At last, the animals won the contest, and the war was over. Key Lion became the king of the jungle. The opportunist bat now went to them as an animal, but they had understood her double game. They turned her out, saying that she was a bird and not an animal. She went to the birds and wished to be considered a bird. But as a rolling stone gathers no moss, they also turned her out, saying that she was an animal and not a bird. Since then, she lives alone and comes out only in dark. Moral: a rolling stone gathers